Hello, welcome to Subway. Would you like an Estrelluh footlong?
Excuse me, what?
Would you like a Philly cheesesteak footlong?
Can I get a turkey on wheat bread, please?
Girl, you want turkey on wheat bread? What? Sorry, sir,
No.
we don't have CBD bread here.
No, can we have turkey on wheat bread?
Oh, bitch, you said wheat. We ain't got wheat, we only got white.
Okay.
Period. It's the last one we had. What you want?
It's the last one you have. You have bread back there.
What would you like on it, sir?
Okay, can I get tomato?
Can you talk faster, please? Talk louder. Come here, tell Auntie Estrelluh what you want, baby.
Can I get tomato? But on the tomato, can you cut the edge on the tomato, please?
That's too much. Hold up. Hello? Bitch, no!
Can you please?
Did she really suck it?
Are you really on the phone right now? You were making my sandwich?
Hold up, sir. Don't you see I'm on the phone?
Yeah, you were just also making me my sandwich.
Girl, let me call you the fuck back, because I got this rude ass customer here. You telling me to make a sandwich
and you're kind of
sees I'm on the phone.
You're kind of being a bitch.
Hello. She's fucking crazy. What were you saying, sir?
You're kind of being a little bit of a bitch, and I'm just trying to get my
What
sandwich.
the fuck did you just call me?
You just...
Bitch, how I get the fuck out of here? Did you just call me a bitch?
You were being a bitch.